Okay, everybody, I'm going to call it quits for today. I'm almost done engraving the swing arm. As you see, I double bulk cutted the edges. We're going to make a little flower design there yet. I still have to do that. I'm going to highlight my chain adjustment measurements. We're going to do something here, probably just bulk cut this, maybe put a vine work in there. Even though you're not going to see the bottom, I'm going to do the bottom. We're going to engrave a rose design. It's like this is going to be seen, but we still did it anyway. I even engraved underneath here. Excuse me. You won't even see this, but this is getting engraved also. This we won't touch. That we won't touch, because that's like, we're not going to touch the inside where the shock goes. But we will engrave this, we'll engrave that. Then we're going to put that, we're going to engrave it in here. As you see, we double bulk cutted all these edges. Top of that done. Back out a little bit. Got the inside. Turn around. See, I even bulk cutted where now the bracket. I'm gonna probably. I think I'm gonna bulk cut the rear brake bracket too. We got a good part of it done, boys. Still got to do that side there. It took me, this is probably my my second day on it. Now, I will tell you, in order to get that off, I had to take my shorty exhaust cans, you can call them cans, I call them mufflers. I had to take my exhaust can, not the whole exhaust system, just the just the exhaust, just the shorties. I had to take them off. I had to also, I had to loosen, I don't want to say take off, but I had to loosen my right rear set for the brake lever, and I had to take off the shock absorber bracket. There's like these two brackets. I'll show you guys in the next video. There's these two long brackets, and then the bottom part of the shock cantilever has to come off. You have to take your recidifier off. You have to take your recidifier bracket off. And I'll also show you guys the tools you have to have. There's two tools you have to have in order to get the swing arm off. Without them, you're going to ruin your swing arm. Now, once we put this on, these come out. We're going to repack these with engine assembly grease. And we're going to put some kind of grease, and we're going to put my Loctite on all the bolts. I use Loctite on all bolts. There's not one bolt that I put back on any of my motorcycles that don't have I use the red Loctite, the high temperature red Loctite only. I use that on everything. So that's it, guys. Now, I understand a lot of you don't like this, because this might be too fancy smancy for you. But this is either you love it or hate it. You know, the reason why I do it, the reason why I go to one extra step to do the inside and underneath, which you'll never see, because I know it's there. That's why I do it. I like it, you know. Now, as for the wheel, I did do, in my past video, here, let me show you guys here if I can, but I'm knocking everything over. I did do that line there. In my past video, that inside line, I didn't do it, I did it. I didn't do the rim, because I don't think I'm going to do anything more to the wheels. But I have to do the front wheel the same way. So once the swing arm's done, the only thing remaining that I'm going to have to ball cut is the front wheel. And I will give you guys a full video on what the motorcycle looks like when it's done. And I'm going to also show you what it takes to take this off and to put it back on. Alright guys, I hope you enjoy the video.